Hi everyone, we're here with Patrick and Andrew from Iress. They've just come off stage at DevOps Talks conference. Gentlemen, do you want to introduce yourself to everyone?
Yeah, hi, I'm Andrew Coulter. I'm the head of engineering for investment management at Iress.
Patrick Herrera, a platform principal.
Welcome guys. Now, tell us, your first in-person conference in probably over 2 years, I'm guessing. How did it feel to be in front of a live crowd?
I think it was actually even interesting before that. It was the first time we've seen each other in 2 years in real
Wow.
life. But yeah, it's just great to have that energy, to be able to actually see people out there rather than just looking into a screen like we've been so used to.
So what about you, Patrick?
Yep. Oh, well, look, I've never spoken in front of a live audience full stop anyway, so it was obviously pretty exciting for me. Seeing Andrew, so practicing at the last minute too. We've only really seen each other in the last couple of days, so it all came together pretty well, and yeah, it was good fun.
No, I'm glad you had fun. Now, the talk that you did today, I noticed that it was, you were speaking about products, and how does that fit within the DevOps world to yourselves?
Well, to me, I think it's incredibly essential because we focus so much about starting at the dev when we talk about DevOps, and you get all these variations like DevSecOps. And I was at a talk yesterday for machine learning where someone talked about DevMLOps.
Right.
To me, I was actually thought it's got to start with product. And we talk about sponsorship often, but sponsorship wouldn't have been enough. The project that we just came from was incredibly long. It was, there's so many hurdles. And it needed more than the sponsorship. It needed alignment, and it really needed, having our product owners there with us the whole way through, every stand-up, every retro, and only through that was this project successful.
Yeah, exactly. And there's so many details you can get caught up in as well. So, you build pipelines, you've got cloud, so many acronyms. There's just so much to do. You need to make sure that you're actually, got your focus on what you want to deliver to the clients.
Absolutely.
So that's why I love the idea of, instead of DevOps, it's Prod DevOps in my world.
Prod DevOps, I love it. I love it. We haven't heard that one today. It's a new one. So you better hashtag that one for us.
Yep.
Now, last question. You had a really interesting topic that, in terms of the name of your talk, about zombies. Where did it come from? What was the inspiration? Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, I think it's probably to do with the age of the monoliths that we've got, because all these companies like LinkedIn who've got like one real application with a whole army of engineers working on it, whereas there's probably others like us who've got these 20-year-old pieces of legacy code, and that's probably where the zombie inspiration came from, because they're kind of undead. They really should have died a long time ago. They keep on very, very slowly moving and threatening us. But I think that's probably where the zombie inspiration came from.
Yeah, and eating engineers' brains. So that was genius. Whoever came up with that, it wasn't me.
There you go. That was a very fun topic today. I'm glad you both had fun. Thank you again for your time.
Thanks for having us.
Oh, absolutely. And if you've got questions for the Iress guys, go and find them. And coming to you live, of course, from the Melbourne DevOps Talks conference.